welcome back everyone. Well, here's another thing that I figured with this wonderful head I'm attempting to take out. As I was pulling the head out, it was getting stuck on the drive shaft. So then what that made me believe was because the bolts on the exhaust flange down there, you can see that little triangular thing down there, it didn't give me the space for me to pull out on the bolts that were in the flange. As you guys can see, I had to undo the whole catalytic converter type thing up there, detach that, took out the bracket that holds both of these sections here, took out the bolts from here because this is like a flexible flange. I just left the oxygen sensor connected, so I don't have to disconnect it and just place it like that so it doesn't tear it off. So I didn't have to disconnect the front drive shaft or drive linkage. So yeah, this car is not easy at all, but whatever. I mean, I've done heads on a Z28 Camaro 95, one of mine that I own, and I could do those in about a day and a half, but not this one. This one's a lot tougher, especially because I don't really work on Japanese cars, but on this one I am. So there you go.